Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I hope you are having a fabulous day wherever in the world you are. So today we have a new cross stitch from Biggestcraft, and this is going to be so super cute. I'm excited about this one. So I picked something for Halloween since it is Halloween season. So this is a 50 by 50, and it is 11 count, and it is a Halloween bat pumpkin lantern. It is $12.99 on their website, so you're definitely going to want this. Let's check out this kit. I'm super excited, y'all. This was so cute on the website. I absolutely had to get it. All right, so first things first. Oh, this is interesting. So we have our standard thimble. We have our standard needle threader. But this is cool. I've never seen something like this before. These are the needles, y'all. Usually they come in little puff balls, but these came in this. I love this. I'm going to save this. May definitely keep my needles in there. But anyway, they're very good quality needles. And they should be beautifully. I love this. I can't get over this. So let's go to the next thing. Here we have our picture. Oh my gosh. This is so stinking cute. I just love this. If you know me, I love Halloween, anything Halloween, so it's all fantastic. So here we have the instructions on how to divide your threads, and this is an 11 count, so it tells you for an 11 count you use 3 threads, and for a 14 count you use 2 threads, and so on. And then it has how to choose your colors, unprinted cloth, printed cloth, how to stitch an unprinted cloth. Of course, it has all of your basic stitches, and then it just has, you know, your general notes. Keep your hands clean. Don't get it wet, because if you get it wet, your pattern will disappear off your cloth. Just simple tips like that. Product dimensions could have an error of 3 to 5 centimeters, so it's all good. And then it has cleaning and maintenance, all that good stuff. So here we have our basic pattern, and this pattern is if you need an extra pattern that, like, you have something on the cloth that you can't identify, just go back here and identify wherever it is in there. Some colors, like this black print, this dark blue print, and the brown print, can sometimes be hard to differentiate on your fabric. So always use the guide when you have an issue you don't know quite, you can't tell quite what color is supposed to go where. Anyway, so very easy to read. There are 42 colors in this, so that is super exciting. That's going to give us loads and loads of contrast. Absolutely beautiful. I love this. 42 colors, and you see all of your symbols are different. And of course, if you watch any of my other videos, you know the first part is the number of the thread. Then we have the symbol, and then we have the corresponding DMC number, which is how the company identifies which color thread is which. So we have those. That is fabulous. And of course, this says 49 by 49 centimeters, width and height. And on the bottom, it gives you all the information that the pattern is water soluble, do not get it wet, pictures for references only. But I will say, if you somehow get it wet and the color in your pattern disappears on your canvas. That's why they always include this chart so that you can identify where you're at. Super helpful. So let's check out our Aida. Oh, and this pattern is on rip resistant paper. I love when we get one that's rip resistant paper, because accidents do happen. So here is our canvas, and you can see where our bat is, Bet's hat, and the pumpkin. You can kind of differentiate between everything the way that the pattern is printed. And let's see, of course, our edges of our pattern, of our Aida fabric, is stitched, so you don't have to worry about it unraveling, which I hate doing that by hand, so that's all good. Now let's look at the pattern. Here we go. These are very well centered in each square of our Aida, and you can really tell the difference. Usually the black and the U's look almost identical, but here I can actually tell them apart, which is really nice. Everything is printed very, very well. And of course, it's got your little thumbnail of the picture of what you're working on. And then it has your color code and your symbol code on the side going down. And of course, it's got everything on it that the paper pattern has. So that is very cool. I cannot wait to do this. Well, this one's going to be so stinking cute. So let's go ahead and look at our thread. If I can figure out, oh, there we go. So 42 threads, that's actually quite a bit for this size. That's a lot of colors, so it's going to be really cute. So, ooh, this is really nice thread. It is very soft and very bold colors. And if you wonder what I'm looking for, I am looking for knots in the thread where they stopped from one thread to the next, which is, you know, the when they put them on the spools, sometimes that happens, and sometimes you'll get one of those. And I have not yet, on any of these kits that I've received one that has that knot in it, which is very surprising because I almost always run into it. When I buy threads separately in a skein, invariably one is always going to have that. So I don't see that anywhere. So here are all our gorgeous colors. They're nice and smooth. There's no uneven spots, uneven places in the thread, where if you get a thread and all of a sudden there's a big bulge in the thread and then it goes back down. I have not seen any of that in these. So that is very cool. And you see they're nice and shiny. Great quality, great colors. So this is going to be a really nice one to do. So this is everything that comes in the kit. And we are going to really enjoy doing this one, I think, in my personal opinion. So this is $12.99 on their website on Biggestcraft, and I will leave a link in the description box if you are interested in picking this up, or they got a lot of really stinking cute Halloween patterns. I really wanted a couple of them. I'm probably going to go back and get a couple more because these are really cute. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and please give a thumbs up. What you think of this kit, the picture, are you going to try to pick up a pattern from them? Anyway, I hope you leave me a comment, leave me a heart, or leave me a bat emoji if you made it this far. I really appreciate everything. that each and every one of you take the time to watch my videos. So, and comment and like and share and all that good stuff. Because you know the mean streets of YouTube are hard. Anyway, love each and every one of you, and I hope you have a fabulous day.